Welcome back, friends. Hopefully by now all of you understand that in Excel there is an order in which Excel deals with mathematical operators, and that order is in short form known as BODMAS, BDMAS, brackets followed by division followed by multiplication and addition and then subtraction. In this video we will be seeing how to evaluate formula function. To do that, I'll just select a huge area so that it is quite visible on our screen. And then I will increase the font size to 20 or centrally aligned, and then let's proceed with our example. 3 plus 3 divided by 2, and now we actually want to see it happening inside the cell. To do that, we will go to the formula ribbon, and after selecting the cell we will click on evaluate formula in the formula auditing section. On clicking it, pop-up will show up on your screen, and reference is sheet 2. It is the reference of the cell that is currently active and on which the evaluation is shown. Equal to sign is missing here, so I'll just put it here and then enter, and then I will select this cell and back to evaluate formula, and this time the reference is to the cell we have currently active. And then in the evaluation bar you can see 3 plus 3 divided by 2, and it is underlining the operation it is about to perform the first, that's 3 divided by 2. Now to proceed we will click on evaluate button, and it will perform the operation on the previously underlined set of mathematical operation, and now it is underlining the new set of mathematical operation it is about to perform. Now it is about to perform 3 plus 1.5, and when we click on evaluate button it will evaluate that and it will give result at 4.5. We can either restart it or close it. Another way of doing this is selecting cell this as putting enter value as 3, 3 and 2, and we will press F2 to edit the formula, and instead of this we will add this cell. We are basically performing the same stuff, but this time we are using cell references. And now when we will go to evaluate formula, this time it's B8 plus C8 divided by D8. Now first of all, before performing the mathematical operation, it will quickly go to the referenced cell and extract the value. So it will be from left to right order. You can either evaluate or step in. If I click on step in, it will step into the reference cell, show the value that is in the currently referenced cell, that was B8, and now I can step out. After stepping out, it will bring in the value along with it and replace it with the cell reference call. That is, it will return the value of the cell that has been referenced. To skip this, if I hit on evaluate, it will directly return me the value stored in the referenced cell. We were proceeding left to right. After B8, it's calling C8, and C8 will turn to 3, that is the value of cell C8. Moving on, D8 and 2, and now again we have the rule of BODMAS applying over here, and it is showing it quite clearly. And hit on evaluate 1.5 and evaluate, and done. Tada, close. So this is pretty much it. I wanted to show this to you of how to deal with order of mathematical operators in Excel and how to use tools to evaluate formulae functions.